Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a productive day. My name is Nicole, and today I am recording this video because where'd it go? Okay, I had ordered the Trepadora Quinoa Repair Deep Conditioner from I didn't get it from a third party. I got it directly from the Trepadora website, and I'm having a problem getting the product to come out of the pump, so I sent a message to customer service, and they suggested that I might need to prime the pump, it says, and to expel air from the pump. Depending on the product, it might take 5 to 10 pumps, but if that's not working, then put my finger over the mouth of the pump where the product should come out and seal it off completely with my finger, and then pump the pump until it engages and starts to push the product out. Do not remove your finger until that happens. So we will see if this tip works. So this is that part. So I'm gonna cover it with my finger. Let's see. All right, so that tip works. So if any of you are having trouble getting your conditioner to come out of a bottle, I suggest that you try this tip. I have to put this, I don't want to waste it. It's not wash hour yet, so I have to find somewhere to put this. But wow, so I'm glad I didn't, because my instinct, you know, when things aren't working, we want to bang it or break it. I was just kind of figuring out how to bust this top off this bottle. But they so kindly said, before you decant into another bottle, please try these recommendations. So that's why sometimes it's a good thing if we're not figuring things out, instead of breaking it, to contact customer service, the people that made it, and see if they have a suggestion on how to open the bottle. So that's it for my Quinoa Repair Deep Conditioners, and I'll be excited the next time I need to use it. I think this is one that I could use if I want it every week, but that doesn't mean I will. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Please subscribe, right? But like it and comment below if you had a similar issue with this type of bottle and if this tip worked. So I'm so excited that it worked, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.